In this video, we will learn how to use chart style in Excel sheet. Let's start. This is my Excel data. Just select full data. Click on the Insert tab. You get here option charts. There are so many options available for charts. You choose as per your requirement. I just want to select the 2D, 3D column, 2D column. Okay, just click on it. When you click on the chart, you can see here in tab option that this chart design tab is automatically inserted. Okay, this chart design only for you can design your chart. Okay, there is so many option. You can change the color as per your requirement. Different charts styles available here, so you can use by clicking on it. Just click on it, you get the different style of charts. So here also have a one option, the filter. If you want to comparison 2 3 categories only, I just want to first 3 and 4 and click on the apply. You can see the difference between these 3 category. Okay, so there is a many option. You can see now the chart design is tab is not show you. When you click on the chart, again the chart design tab inserted here, so you can use it again. That's it. Hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.